2018 Ford Fiesta is a subcompact car that competes with the Chevrolet Sonic and Nissan Versa. For 2018, the 5-seat Fiesta, available as either hatchback or sedan, sees only minor changes. An enthusiast-orientated Fiesta ST trim is also available. Head-turning looks at every corner. With the 1.6-liter Ti-VCT EcoBoost registered engine that delivers a muscular 197 horsepower and 202 pounds-foot of torque, punching this ride is an instant smile maker. And with its dynamic racing silhouette, high-mounted rear spoiler and 17-inch Rado Gray-painted aluminum wheels, Fiesta ST is also something to look at. Engine's offerings for the front-wheel drive Fiesta include a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder that makes 120 horsepower and a 1.0-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder. The ST has a 197 horsepower power turbocharged 1.6-liter 4-cylinder. Non-ST models are available with a 5-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed automatic. The ST has a 6-speed manual. EPA estimated fuel economy ranges from 26 miles per gallon city to 37 miles per gallon highway, depending on engine and transmission. The Fiesta ST offers technology to keep connected to the world, while also providing a high level of performance on the road. With available smart technology, the Fiesta was built for drivers looking for a fun ride with a fierce attitude. The features include Ford's Sync 3 multimedia and infotainment system, satellite radio, premium audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, keyless entry with push-button start, automatic climate control, USB ports, and heated front seats. The safety features include rear-view camera, stability control, and dual front-side, driver's knee and side curtain airbags. The 2018 Ford Fiesta has a base price of $13,660, not including dealer or destination charges.